Today, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Webflow. This is a fundamental skill that gives you precise control over where your design elements appear on the page, allowing you to fine-tune your layout exactly how you want it. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where all your sites are displayed. Navigate to the All Sites section, then hover your mouse over the site where you want to move an element. Click on Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Now that you're inside the Webflow designer, click on the element you want to move. This could be any component on your page, whether it's an image, a text block, or a container. Selecting it will activate the styling options in the right panel. In the right panel, navigate to the Position section. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Click on it and select Relative from the list. This is an important step because setting the position to relative allows you to move the element from its original location while still maintaining its place in the document flow. It's different from absolute positioning, which removes the element entirely from the flow. Once you've set the position to relative, you'll notice a label appear that shows 4 zeros displayed as 0, 0, 0. These values represent the top, right, bottom, and left offset positions of your element. Now comes the intuitive part. Hold your mouse over one of these values and drag it to adjust the element's position. You can drag it to move the element up by adjusting the top value, left by adjusting the left value, or right by adjusting the right value. As you drag, you'll see your element move in real time on the canvas, giving you immediate visual feedback. This method of positioning gives you pixel-perfect control over your design. You can make subtle adjustments or dramatic shifts depending on your needs. The relative positioning keeps your element connected to its original spot in the layout, so it moves from that point rather than being placed randomly on the page. And that's it. You've successfully moved your element in Webflow using relative positioning. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.